Hi, and welcome back to this web development series. Today we'll be rounding off the media query discussion with a little feature known as @supports, which pretty much just means CSS gets newer features as time goes on, and only newer browsers will support those features. So we can query to see if a certain browser supports that feature before we load those style sheets and potentially give a very wonky web page to a user. But anyway, how we ask for supports is just as simple as @supports. Whatever we want to query in parentheses. In this example, we're just using something as simple as just querying to see if the browser will support the color black, which it should, but since we haven't covered any of the more advanced topics, or at least newer topics for CSS, I didn't want to use any of those examples. So we are just querying something simple. Um, if a browser is so old that it does not support the @supports query, no need to worry about any of these rules. It'll just skip over everything. Another thing is you can nest supports queries inside of media queries and also the other way around. So if we have certain set of rules for on a screen, for example, we can query the supports of that screen as well before certain rules in the supports will be applied to that screen. And the other way around, we can ask if something supports whatever features, and then if it's also on a specific type of media, we can apply extra rules to that. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, as the series goes on, we'll most likely have something much more in depth in this, but this is just pretty much for the concept of what supports does. And if we take a look at this page, we'll see it does support the color black. So we do get our little fancy red heading and a paragraph in italics. But if you want to, you can Google some examples of more advanced or fancier support queries. But like I said, no need to worry about that. Just understand the concept and how you can nest support in media and media in support. Just try and wrap your head around that. It's not that hard. And thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.